Cash App allows users to instantly transfer funds to a recipient. As a result, payments usually can't be canceled or automatically refunded. If the payment was recently sent, you can attempt to cancel the transfer by going to the Activity tab to review recent transactions. Tap on the payment you want to cancel, and then the Options menu icon in the top right corner. This will bring up an Actions menu for this specific transaction. If a refund is deemed possible for this instance, the top menu option will be Cancel a Payment. If that option doesn't appear, you'll need to send a refund request to the user you sent money to. Tap their profile icon and then create a transaction request with an explanation and the amount you accidentally sent.